Y'all, I'm so excited. Today we're making Haitian food. I mean, it's not baking, but it's cooking. I like all things food. So we're gonna do something new. And this is my absolute first time making Haitian food. So I'm excited about that. During my birthday trip, I did try Haitian food and it was like the best thing ever to me. So when I came home, it was just only right for me to make it. So today we're gonna make some Dijon black rice. Don't come for me for my Creole pronunciation. I am Guyanese. Let's start there. So we're making some Dijon today, black rice. We're also gonna make some banan, plantains in my culture. And we're gonna make some red snapper, just some normal fried red snapper. I also got my little fixings. I got my pickles and my eppies, and I'll put below where I got it from. So for this recipe, I do have my Dijon fresh. Maybe not fresh, but I have my dried Dijon. I also have my Dijon Maggi cubes. I also have the Dijon liquid. I might not use this, but I decided to get everything. I also have a variety of Caribbean seasonings. Got this from my grandma and my mom. My grandma got all these seasonings when she went to Guyana, and then my mom gave me some of her seasonings. So I also got my cloves and stuff and such. So let's get started.